Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amazon Music how to play continuously. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To play music continuously on Amazon Music, what you need to do is first head over and open up your Amazon Music app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is start playing a song or playlist, and then once you do that, what you need to do is you'll be seeing the player on your screen. Now what you need to do is look at the playback controls at the bottom of the screen, and then find the repeat icon, which generally looks like two arrows forming a circle. Then all you gotta do is tap on that repeat icon until it shows repeat all. Usually the icon is highlighted but not showing a one icon. This means the entire playlist or album will play continuously and looping after finishing. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.